Welcome to Merriment. Like, share, and subscribe. Here are the top 7 theories of multiverse universes. The multiverse universe is a hypothetical group of multiple universes. Together, these universes comprise everything that exists: the entirety of space, time, matter, energy, information, and the physical laws that describes them. Number 1. Quilted multiverse. Space is infinite, therefore, somewhere there are regions of space that will exactly mimic our own vision of space. There is another world out there, somewhere in which everything is unfolding exactly as it unfolds on Earth. The event horizon includes events that occur infinitely many times, duplicated in many universes. Number 2. Inflationary multiverse. Inflationary theory in cosmology predicts an expansive universe filled with bubble universes, of which our universe is just one. Inflationary theory proposes a period of extremely rapid expansion during its first few moments. It was developed around 1980 to explain several puzzles with the help of standard Big Bang theory. Number 3. Brain multiverse. String theory leaves open the possibility that our universe is just on the three-dimensional brain, while other brains of any number of dimensions could have a whole other universe on them. A brain is a physical object that generalizes the notion of a point particle to higher dimensions. Number 4. Cyclic multiverse. One possible result from the string theory is that the brain could collide with each other and result in universe spawning big bangs that not only created our universe but possibly other ones too. According to this theory, the universe undergoes endless cycles of Big Bang and ending with a big crunch. The theory is based on two notions. Big Bang is not the beginning of space and time, but rather a moment when gravitational energy and outer forms of energy are transformed into a new matter. Number 5. Landscape multiverse. String theory leaves open a lot of different fundamental properties of the universe, which combined with the inflationary multiverse means there could be many bubble universes out there which have fundamentally different physical laws than the universe we inhabit. Number 6. Quantum multiverse. This is essentially the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, that anything can happen does in some universe. It is the most extraordinary and alluring of all the thought-provoking of the universe in which quantum mechanics has been interpreted. The many worlds interpretation suggests that we live in a near infinity of universes, all superimposed in the same physical space but mutually isolated and evolving independently. In many of these universes, there exists a replica of you and me, all but indistinguishable, yet leading different lives. Number 7. Holographic multiverse. According to the holographic principle, there is a physically equivalent parallel universe that would exist on a distant bounding surface, the edge of the earth, in which everything about our universe is precisely mirrored. The idea isn't that the universe is some sort of fake simulation, but rather that even though we live to appear in a three-dimensional universe, it might only have two dimensions. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.